Good morning, students. Today, I will teach you how to create a table in Microsoft Office. So, here are the instructions. Follow these instructions properly. Firstly, you have to download WPS Office from Play Store. Go to Play Store. In Play Store, you have to type WPS Office. First icon will come. So this is your WPS Office. Here I have already uploaded. So in my software it is coming from update option. But if you are doing first time, then install will come. So you can install it. Within 5 minutes it will be installed. And this type of WPS Office icon will become. Click on WPS Office. While opening, if sign in option is there, you have to click on skip option, so it will be skip. Here I have already saved 2-3 files and there are the list of files, so it will become like this manner. But if you are using first time, then only plus icon will come. Click on plus icon, go to document, or whether it is come MS Word, both are same thing. Click on blank document, that is your plus icon. Okay, so here you have to create a table. Look at the 4 square with 1 diamond shape, that is your ribbon button. Click on ribbon, go to insert, click on table 3 dots. See girls, these are rows. So whenever you create 2-3 rows, then you are using these rows. But if you are creating columns, so these are the columns part. You can create number of columns according to your convenience. So I am here creating 3 columns and 4 rows. You can choose here also with colors. So click anywhere, any color that you are according to your choice. Click on OK button. Decrease your, with the help of hand tip, you can small your table size also. In your first column, I have written roll number. In second column, name. In third column, you have to write down subject names. First of all, Hindi. Okay, have you seen there is no column at all? But I want to increase the number of columns. You have to see there is a plus icon is there. So I can create number of columns accordingly. Then after Hindi, I will write English. Then after SST, as usual according to your subjects, you have to increase it. Computer science, so I will write in short CS. CS means computer science. Next one, science. Apart from science, it's math. Then you have to write down your roll number only. Suppose roll number 5. One girl name is Ifranas, so I will write Ifranas name. Then Hindi marks means your PT1 marks. Whatever marks in Hindi, you have to write your marks here. So I will write accordingly. You can write your marks and your name. In computer science, most of the students got 30 marks, means 20. If it is on 20, then you can write it 20. See girls, if it is a 20 marks, so you can write it accordingly, 19th. Then one girl having 20 marks, SST, 18 marks. Accordingly, you have to write down marks. If it is in 20 marks, so it is, you can write 20 out of 20. Here. Okay, I have finished my table. But see, if you are noticed that two rows are still empty. So I want to delete this row. So click on third one row. There is an option insert row, delete row. So you can choose delete row option. Again third, you can click on delete row option. Then after, you can use this table and drag it also. So accordingly you can drag it anywhere. Drag it accordingly. If it is not opening, then you can press enter key also. drag it anywhere, whatever you want. So, okay, like this manner you can create your table. Below that you have to write your class, that is your fifth, C or B, whatever. Next step is your most important step to save a document. You have to see on the above area, done. If you are creating done, that is also, and on the right hand side it is save option is there. So click on save option, type your name, and then click on save option. Your document is saved. Click on done part. Below that there is a share option. Click on share option. Share as PDF or share as file, both are the different thing, but you can share it either in both ways. Type your school group, computer science group, so you can type computer science group. It is automatically coming on your screen. Click on here and send your file here. Hope all of you understood how to create a table in MS Word and how to upload your table into the school group. Thank you and have a nice day.